Let's talk more about how to control how your bot working, how to make it better. On this page on user chat, you can find all conversations that you have between users. On this page, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger. And there you can open which chat you want. And there you can see what user ask from bot and what is bot answer. These pages allow you to find which is the most frequently questioned from users. How bot answer for this? If you see that bot don't have enough information to give excellent answer for your user, you can train it. You can, as you, for example, you see that people's every time ask about benefits. Which benefits have your company, or about some prices, about some sales, something like this, and you see that bot give answer maybe good but not excellent. You can provide to bot more information. This pages is created just for this, and it's really allow you to make your bot perfect.